Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 155. गुरुवनुज्ञा परिपालन हेची भूषणा माझी भूषण हीच सच्छिष्याची खूण आज्ञोल्लंघन महत्पाप. Complete obedience to the Guru is the greatest ornament amongst all adornments, a true sign of the good disciple. Disobedience is the greatest of sins. गुरुवाज्ञेचे एक क्षण जाऊ न देता करावे पालन विचारी चाचरी तो करंटा जाण विषाणहीन नरपशु. Obey the Guru's order without a moment's delay. One who thinks and hesitates is no better than a luckless, hornless beast. तेथे न पाहणे मुहूर्त शुभाशुभ वा तूर्तातूर्त तात्काळ आज्ञा मानी तो धूर्त दीर्घसूत्री दुर्भागी. There is no need for an auspicious time to obey the order, no need to debate whether the order is good or bad, and whether the order should be executed immediately or later on. The one who is wise obeys instantly. Only an unfortunate person thinks up delaying tactics. मग कास घालूनी एके हाती दुजियाने शस्त्र सावरिती अस्तन्या सारित सारित येती अजा होती ते स्थानी. Then, tucking in his dhoti with one hand and holding up the knife in the other, he folded up the sleeve of the hand that held the knife. He came forward where the goat was. आश्चर्य करीती ग्रामस्थ लोक हे काय कृत्य अलौकिक काकांचे मनाची ती कवळीक मावळली की कैसेनी. The villagers were surprised at this strange scene. They were well aware of Kaka's tender loving nature and wondered where that kindness had disappeared. मुसलमान मांसाहारी तया चडफडत्या अजावरी फकीर बाबा शस्त्र न धरी तेथे तयारी काकांची. Even a Muslim, non-vegetarian like Fakir Baba felt pity for the goat and did not take up the weapon. Yet Kaka had got ready. वज्राहुनी कठोर कुसुमाहुनी कोमलतर म्हणती असती जे लोकोत्तर तयाचे अंतर ते खरे. It is true that the heart of the extraordinary person is harder than granite and more tender than a flower. मग घट्ट धरोनी सुरा हाते उंच करोनिया निज कराते म्हणती मारूच का बाबा याते एकदा माते बदा की. Then he tightened his grip on the big knife, raised his hand and said, Baba, shall I kill it? Just tell me once. आर्तत्राणार्थ शस्त्र धारण तेणेच निरपराध अजहनन परी गुरुसेवेसी विकीला प्राण म्हणून अनमान जीवाला. Truly speaking, a weapon is held only to protect the weak, and yet it was now raised above an innocent goat. But he had dedicated his life to serve the Guru. Therefore, he had no hesitation. मारू जाता घाई घाई कृपा उपजली तया हृदयी सुरा चाचरे मागे जाई हस्त न होई पुढारा. He wanted to kill it quickly, but pity arose in his heart, and the big knife wavered. The hand would not descend. तू मार आता काय बघसी परिसोनी अखेरची आज्ञा ऐसी प्रहार करावया आवेशी अर्धवर्तुळेसी ते वळले. Come on, kill it now. What are you waiting for? Hearing this final order, he made a semicircular turn for an effective strike.